Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you doing? We are starting our exercise 1.4 of mathematics class, and solve these equations formula. So again I will repeat, there are only three methods to solve a quadratic equation: by factorization, by completing square. So here in this these three methods. So first of all, this is our question number 1. Now this is the thing we have seen it first time in this unit 1, the square root on one side. So whenever there is a square root, we can cancel it with by taking a square. So we will take square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. All squared is equal to all squared. And of square 2ab. So now here what we will do, like 2x squared plus 5 squared plus 2 into 2x into 5 equals to 7x plus 16. And here while we take square of 2x, that will be 4x squared plus 25 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20x equals to 7x plus 16. So students, we have to make it a standard form, so we will get these values from here to here. So 4x squared plus 20x minus 7x plus 25 minus 16 equals to 0. Now we will do the calculations, and 4x squared 20 minus 7, that is equal to 13x plus 9 equals to 0. Students, now we have a standard quadratic equation, and we can solve it by using factorization, by using a completing square method, or by using a quadratic formula. So the easiest way is by factorization, so we will do that. So 4 9s are 36, and if we add 4 and 9, that is 13. So factors are already there, so we will write 4x squared plus 9x plus 4x plus 9 equals to 0. So students, when we have this 4x plus 9x, we will take the common x, and that 4x plus 9 equal to 0. Now we will take 4x plus 9 as common. 4x plus 9 into x plus 1. So these are the two factors of that equation. Now we will solve these two factors separately. 4x plus 9 equals to 0 if or x plus 1 equals to 0. Here 4x equals to minus 9, 9 will go there and it will become minus. X is equal to minus 9 over 4. Here we have x is equal to 1, sorry, minus 1, because it is plus here, and if you will go the other side, the sign will be changed. So x is equal to minus 1 and x is equals to minus 9 over 4. So students, this was our question number 1. I hope you understood it. Now we will do a little complicated question, so you can understand it even better. If we see the question number 6 here, I will just erase it. Students, while I'm writing or on the board, you don't have to write these questions. You have questions. So please waste your time on noting down these questions. Just try to understand what I'm saying. So question number 6 is x plus 1 square root plus x minus 2 square root is equal to square root of x plus 6. So students, this is our question number 6. Here we will do the same, like squaring both sides, so we can cancel these square root signs. Square, sorry, plus x minus 2 square root whole square equals to x plus 6 square root and whole square. So now on this side, square and square root will be cancelled, but this side, because there are two values, so we will have to open the formula. That is x plus 1 whole square plus x minus 2 square root and square plus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 2 equals to, here we have x plus 6. Now students, we will cancel these squares with square root here and here, so that will become x plus 1 into x minus 2, and that will also come to this side, so that is minus x minus 6 equals to 0. Now students, we can write solve this plus minus signs, so we can say x plus x is equals to 2x, or we can cancel this x with this minus x. Now x, only one x is remaining, plus 1, that is minus 5 into, sorry, this 2 cannot be cancelled because it is being multiplied with this, so that is a mistake. So 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7. So x multiplied under 1 square root. So x into x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. X minus 7 plus 2 into x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Students, now we have another square root, so we have to cancel it again, but before that we can take all these other values to the other side. So x squared minus x minus 2 square root 2 equals to, that x will go the other side and it will become minus. So minus x plus 7. Now this 2 will also go to the other side and it will also because it is multiplying here, and it will go there and will be divided. Or we can just solve it by like this. We can just take square on both sides, and we can write this like 7 minus x. Because it is minus here, so we will just put the x on the other side. So squaring both sides again. Two into square root of x square minus x minus square. This 2 square of 2 is equals to 4, and square root will be cancelled, and that will become x square minus x minus 2 equals to square of 7 plus x square minus into 8 equals to x square minus 2 7s are 14x plus 7 7s are 49. Now students, we will get all these values on one side, so we can make it a standard equation, that is 4x squared minus x squared minus 4x plus 14x minus 8 minus 49 equals to 0. So now here 3x square plus 10x minus 57 equals to 0. Students, that is our standard quadratic equation, and we can solve it by factorization or any other method. So students, this was our today's lecture. The remaining part of this question you can watch on understood this concept also. If you still have any other question, you can comment below this video, or you can ask on WhatsApp. Keep watching our videos and keep liking them and commenting below. Make sure you mark your attendance below the video. Thank you very much. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum.